What's up, everybody? I'm Jermaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new or visiting again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the movement. Right now, I'm about to go ahead and do a little mukbang with y'all. It's the weekend. Went out and got some cookout, and I'm about to eat it and talk to y'all about. Oops, my bad. Talk to y'all about saving money, how it's been going for me, and everything like that. This is how much money I've managed to save so far in 2020. It's almost $2,000 in 2 months. If you want to see more information about that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have a ginger ale that I'm going to eat with my hot dogs. Got a tray. So I got 2 hot dogs, some chicken nuggets, and some hush puppies. I've been doing I'm about to go ahead and start eating. I've been doing a pretty good job of not, going out to eat as much since I've been saving money. Man, that's good. But on the weekends, I do go out, A key part to saving money is to have like a budget, to be intentional about saving. So prior to this year, when I started saving, I was kind of blowing through a bunch of money. That's good. Man, that's so good. Oh yeah, I got a milkshake too. I don't know how I'm gonna eat all that, but prior to saving money this year, I was blowing through a bunch of money like crazy. I don't even know where it was going, which made me, want to save. And that's what I started doing. So a big part of that was to cut out eating out, especially during the week. But, since it's the weekend, that's good. I got ketchup, slaw, and onion on here. Man. I usually get fries, but I went with the hush puppies and nuggets this time. Something else that I wanted to talk about as far as saving goes is like how to start saving to build up your momentum to save even more and more. And man, that's good. To that, I would say, if you're a beginner, you're new to saving, I would say start with singles. Start with $1 bills and save as many of those as you can. I mean, if you have a fat stack of singles, it might only be like $100. It might only be $70. But if you have 70 $1 bills, it's gonna feel like a ton of money in your hand. And for me anyway, that having the singles made me feel more confident, and it made me want to save even more. Man, those bad boys are good. And then, like, I'm doing a challenge. I'm doing a 26-week money challenge. If you haven't checked it out, go look at my other videos. But that's something that kind of makes it fun. You have a goal, You have objectives, you have deposits that you know you have to make, and you can see it. You can see it happening, and you can go as fast or as slow as you want. So, I would suggest a money challenge, but excuse me. Someone on YouTube that does a bunch of different money challenges. It's a YouTuber named, her channel name is Saving with Jessica. She does a ton of different, like, interesting and cool challenges. And then another big part of saving money is are you saving money for a rainy day? Because that doesn't make too much sense to me. Like, saving money for this terrible situation that's, you know, may or may not happen, and you just have a bunch of money sitting in your bank account for a rainy day. For me, I feel like it makes me want to save money more if I know that I'm not necessarily saving for a rainy day, but I already have, you know, it's like you have an emergency fund just in case there are emergencies, but the ultimate goal is to stack this money up on the side of, I'm sorry, I'm like spitting everywhere. Save this money up on the side of everything else that you have going on, and use that money to make more money. You know, I feel like if your ultimate goal is to become financially free, you know, to stack money up, to put it in place somewhere where it's working for you. Oh man, excuse me. To put that money in place somewhere where it's working for you, and you know, you have certain freedoms in life that you didn't have before all of a sudden. So if you have this money and you're investing it in to vending machines, different side hustles, you put it into a business, you know, to where you're doing hair or something, you're getting different products that you need, you know, different machines that you need. I don't know what people use to do hair, but you know what I mean. Or if you have a makeup business that you have and you're investing in tools to do that. If you're doing real estate, that's one that I want to get into in the future. And you're stacking this money up to invest in those things to help you make more money off of that money, then I feel like that's more motivation for you to save. You know, I think that's more motivation than to say, I'm just going to try to save money for a rainy day. I don't know how everyone else feels about that, but that's how I feel. Man, that's banging. Let me know in the comments, do y'all rock with cookout? Do y'all have a cookout where you are? I mean, I don't know who really watches my channels. I'll be getting views, but I don't know where exactly they're coming from. So, man, that's good. It's nothing like a Canada Dry. Another thing about saving money, man, it adds up fast. Like, think about if you just save $20 a week, you know, that's $80 right there in a month, you know, or more, depending on, you know, when you're saving, what month it is, or whatever. It adds up fast. I'm going in. And then, on top of that, it gives you more confidence day to day. Like having a bunch of money stacked up, you have security, you know? Even if you have $500 stacked up, there's a ton of families in America that don't even have $500 in case there was an emergency. So, save up 500 and you'll be doing better than like at least half of America. I have a subscriber who he commented on one of my other videos, said that he'd been inspired by watching all this different YouTube content to go on a savings journey himself. Bro, that dude is only 16. Imagine if you start saving money at 16. Like, I wish I would have. If you were intentional about saving at 16, like how much money you could have. Because it's not just about the money you save, but you invest that money, and then the money you make with the money that you saved, and then you make money off of that investment, and then you take that and invest it somewhere else, and it's just, man, that's crazy. 16. Dude's gonna be an animal. Well, still has a bite. Man. That's so good. Let me know if y'all actually, I don't know. I always say let me know if y'all like this content, or let me know what y'all think about this. And excuse me. A lot of people don't comment. I mean, it is what it is, but man. Reese's, by the way. big chunks too. I had some people ask me about the vending situation. I'm still doing vending. I actually have some gumballs coming in right now. I have to go refill a machine this week. I just felt like, that's good. I just felt like the vending content was too repetitive. And I don't want the saving money content to be the same way. Like, I don't want to just do saving money updates. So y'all are going to see a bunch of different things out of my channel for 2020. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers in 2020, but if it doesn't happen, then I'll just keep grinding until it does. Man, that's good. Well, that's it for this video. If y'all wouldn't mind liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and commenting down below. Engage with me, man. You know, it's motivation whenever I can talk to the subscribers. If you're making content, I would love to support you. Just let me know. I'll go subscribe to your channel, you know, and we'll go from there. But until the next time.